Get up there again, Bear. Go get him. Try again. Walk over here to Daddy. Silly bear. Alright, now walk over here. Just let go of the couch and walk over here.
Don't do it. You can't just let go.
Are you gonna walk over here?
You don't know how.
Hey, what are you doing? Boom goes the dynamite. Boom.
Ooh.